Bump you.
I'm probably out of frame anyway.
Yeah.
Not actually in any of these videos.
Nope. I've had them edit you out.
You can do that now.
You're
very
the one that
easily.
said you don't watch the videos, so nobody knows that you exist. Hey, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants. So, John, tell us what we're making today.
We are making a vegan vodka sauce.
Non-alcoholic too?
No, that's crazy talk. I mean, it cooks off, so it's fine. But traditionally, vodka sauce has cream in it, and so we are making a vodka sauce that has cashew cream, because cashew cream is so easy and great, and it's
a perfect substitute.
It really is.
You can make it as like thick and creamy or kind of thinned out as you need it to be.
Yes, agreed.
And nuts are good for you.
And it doesn't have, I mean, I know a lot of people like to use coconut cream or coconut milk, but I don't know. I mean, we've tried to use it before, and if we're going to be making something kind of Asian influence, then the coconut cream makes sense.
But we don't always even do that.
No, I think I like cashew cream.
Cashew cream.
It's just very
less processed. It's raw nuts, water, soak it,
and you're good to go.
Drain it, puree it, add some fresh water, and off you go. So it's very
yeah, it's good. And this is a very simple vodka sauce. All comes together in one pan with 92 bowls, as Katie says, with all the different ingredients. But we have a little bit of heat that we're adding to it because we're using some Calabrian peppers that we found at a local grocery store. So you don't have to add any kind of heat if you don't want, but we're going to have it over some pasta and cliffhanger in an upcoming recipe that we're not going to tell you about. You just need to watch. How's that?
That's good. We're going to use the vodka sauce in another way. That's what you're trying to say. And but not tell.
Yes, what she said.
So you have to stay tuned and come back and look out for that video.
Yes.
All right.
All right.
Let's cook with vodka.
Okay.
To start our vegan vodka sauce, we're going to get some shallot and garlic along with 2 Calabrian peppers cooked for about 4 minutes until they're really nice and fragrant. Then we're going to add in our tomato paste, get that stirred well to combine, and let that cook down a little bit. Next, we're going to add in our vodka and get that stirred up and let that cook off for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now that the vodka is kind of cooked off, we're going to add in a little bit of tomato sauce, stir that up to combine, and then we're going to be adding our cashew cream that we made along with some vegan cream cheese. Today we're using I think it's a Viola Life vegan cream cheese. Stir that up to combine, and then just let it cook at kind of a medium temp so that cream cheese will melt down a little bit. Our vodka sauce is just about done. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt to it, and then I'm going to hit it with the stick blender to blend up the basil and the Calabrian chili peppers. I typically only get to use the stick blender under supervision because I usually just wreck the kitchen with it.
You guys are about to see a fight, and I know who's going to win. Right. This looks really yummy.
Yes, it does.
It really turned out well.
Very creamy, and a little parm, a little cracked pepper on top.
Yeah, we did some Follow Your Heart vegan parm, a little cracked pepper.
And these are like the coolest sauce grabbing noodles ever.
Yeah. We found them at a local specialty market, but they literally just hold all the sauce.
They're like little, do we know what they're called?
No, I already put them away.
Oh.
Sorry.
We'll post it down below.
Yeah.
They're cool. We've never had noodles like this. I like swirly noodles.
You do.
But I'm making mac and cheese with these.
Yeah.
What's the noodles we normally get? They might be out.
Cavatappi.
These are
so, what do you think? Because I have some.
It doesn't have much of a kick. You said it was going to have a kick, and I'm like,
so I only used 2 Calabrian peppers. I like a little bit more spice myself. So I could probably do
double.
Yeah, I would double that up. So in the recipe down below, if you can't get Calabrian peppers, you can do Fresno peppers, and I would say 2 Fresno peppers, because those are bigger, would probably be plenty of heat. But if you are able to find the jarred Calabrian, I would say maybe 4 or 5. So, but this,
I mean, it has good flavor.
Yes.
But it could be even more.
Yes, it's very tomato rich. You get that richness of the tomato, but then the creaminess of the cashew cream and the vegan cheam creams.
Yeah.
Cream cheese? Cheam creams?
Cheam creams.
So, it's really yummy.
This is yummy.
Yeah.
And easy.
Yeah, it wasn't that.
One pot and a thinger, emulsifier blender.
How is that?
Stop, I'm not doing that, but it's it's the blender.
The stick blender. But if you don't have a stick blender, down below, you could just do a fine dice on your peppers and your basil, and then you don't have to blend it up. So, but this.
I mean, it was pretty. It wasn't super chunky.
No, it broke down, but you would want the basil were full leaves when I put them in.
Oh, so you just.
Yeah,
put
so
in
just
smaller,
chop them up, or just chop them up.
Smaller bits. Yeah.
This was yummy. I liked it.
It's good.
Yes. Yeah. As soon as the camera turns off, I'm eating the rest of it.
Okay.
Yeah. So, thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this.
Be kind.
Eat pizza.
With plants.
See ya.